Hello everybody again. Welcome back to Purple Tint. So today I'm going to show you idiyappams. So idiyappams are a lovely food that we have here a lot for breakfast, sometimes for dinner, but mostly it's a breakfast food. So one of my favorite foods are idlis, which are like steamed rice patties. And this is like part of kind of that. It's made from rice flour and it's turned into noodles. So as you can see, I'll show you. Look at the nice little noodly thing. It's put through a special process so that it looks like spaghetti. And then you top it with some coconut, some shredded coconut. And generally people will eat this with chicken stew or vegetable stew. I think sometimes they'll add some sweetener stuff on it, so it's more of a sweet kind of treat. But as you can see, has a nice little stringiness, it looks just like spaghetti, but made with the rice flour, and it's steamed. It was actually really pretty good for you, and it's pretty tasty. So it's sort of a bland thing because it's rice, but the chicken stew or the vegetable stew is really, really nice. Actually, this is one of my daughter who lived here for a while, one of her favorite foods. But for me, I like to eat it just plain like this. I really do. But I will add a very American twist to it, which is Tabasco. Oh, so when I can get this Tabasco here, I will just put it on there. See the Tabasco? It makes it really nice and spicy. But when I went to the store, I found garlic Tabasco. So I'm trying that out. Ooh, that's a little bit hot, but it makes it really nice. So I'm just going to put some on here. The garlic one. So the garlic is pretty good. I definitely just like straight Tabasco. Now there are other pepper sauces here, of course imported, but as we all know in America, this is probably the best Tabasco sauce. Sorry, not. It's got enough kick, it's got enough spice that it really dresses up spaghetti noodles, rice noodles, and makes it a nice little treat. So today, I had a birthday at work. I came home, this was for lunch. I brought these home with me, and then I just added some Tabasco to it. It's a really nice little treat, just enough spice. And I also forgot to add American mustard. I absolutely adore American mustard. And again, I just put it on my idiyappams. I mean, it's like a hot dog where you just want the taste of mustard. This is, or like the hot pretzels, where really the whole focus is, for me, the mustard. Oh, perfect. I know these are different things to try on it. Very American. Tabasco sauce and mustard with idiyappams. So idiyappams, really nice. Hope you get to have some. Sometimes you can find them in US. If not, if you come to India, definitely try it. Peace out.